people forget to love themselves first and they search for love outside.
Yeah.
That is the biggest mistake we all people make. When we feel unloved, we look for too much of
Yeah.
dependency in love. And when we are full of love, no, then only we can give love and receive love.
Hmm.
नहीं रेडी होके ही दिखना है, ये सब करना है, तो दैट लाइफस्टाइल मेक्स यू फील सो कंफर्टेबल कि कोई भी सिचुएशन आए बॉस
हाँ, you
सब
are
निकल
okay,
जाता
ठीक है,
है.
देख ले, हो गया.
हाँ, अगर दुश्मनी भी हो रही है तो वहीं सॉल्व हो रही है.
ओम शांति ओम has been one of my favorite films and मैं तो on repeat जब भी weekend आता है मैं तो लगा लेती हूँ.
I still remember first word what Shahrukh said. I've heard of saying that who is she when I
Who
gave
is she? कौन है
gave
ये?
that
Oh, wow.
when they are together they are like in their own world and she's so happy. He's gonna spoil her for sure. She's
Yeah.
growing so fast.
And you
I'm
need to
just capturing
capture.
everything.
Yeah, you have to.
My phone is full.
को अपना childhood भी याद आता है कहीं ना कहीं
Yes.
कि ओ मैं भी तो ये करती हूँ.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, you're watching us on Bollywood Live Z Media. This is Gaurika and मेरे साथ है बहुत ही खूबसूरत, extremely versatile, talented and मैं जितने भी शब्द बोलूँ I guess वो कम है. Yuvika, welcome to our channel and thank you so much first of all for your time. So how are
Thank
you
you.
and how is life treating you?
I am very, very good. Thank you so much. First of all, so sorry. You've been following me since 7, 8 months.
Yes.
And finally,
Finally,
we made it.
we are doing the interview. So,
Yeah.
so nowadays, like, what's keeping you busy? Is it the motherhood or it's the work? You know, what is it like?
It's like I'm multitasking.
Yes, you're
Yeah.
multitasking.
And best phase of my life where I'm doing everything. What I wanted, I have it. Now I'm just managing. That's good.
So, how is it like to be a mother? Like, finally, matlab, you've been imagining उस टाइम पे and then finally when you have the baby in your hands
Yeah.
and then उठना पड़ता है इतनी सारी क्यूट चीजें हो जाती हैं
Yeah.
and then you feel nostalgic क्योंकि आपको अपना childhood भी याद आता है कहीं ना कहीं
Yes.
कि ओ मैं भी तो ये करती हूँ
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
how is it like the whole feeling altogether?
It's very nice. Yeah. I feel luckily I'm blessed. My family is around me, and whenever she's doing something, she's like, my mom is like, oh, तुम भी ऐसा करती थी बचपन में, same चीज होती थी, तो I feel nice. So ये सारा feedback मुझे मिलता रहता है, and her naughtiness and yeah, बच्चे they grow so fast. Yeah, she's
Yeah.
growing so fast.
And you
I'm
need to
just capturing everything.
Yeah, you have to.
My phone is full. One TB phone is full of her pictures and videos. And now I have to take one more phone now.
So now Prince has gotten 2
Yes.
princesses. Oh,
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah, yeah.
the whole kingdom. So I want to know that how hands-on father is he, like, and what are the memories?
Memories, what he's gonna spoil her. I can see when they are together, they are like in their own world, and she's so happy. And he's gonna spoil her for sure. And he started spoiling her.
Yeah.
And he's a hands-on father. Yeah, despite having too much of busy life in his hand, but whatever time he gives, he's right there.
Yeah.
He doesn't think anything else. He's not doing other work. It's just there with the kid, and we are celebrating family most of the time when
Yeah.
we are together.
So also it's a fan question again. So people are asking that when are you and Prince both going to work together
Oh,
or
yeah.
collaborate? When? कब देखने को मिलेगा हमें?
Very soon, guys.
Oh, wow.
And how soon? Exact date I can't tell you, but we both are planning something.
Something is on the cards, of course.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah. We are
finally.
planning something. Hopefully, it should happen. What we are planning.
Super. So nowadays, like people, they really don't get the direction in life because कईयों के godfather नहीं होते, कोई industry में किसी को जानता नहीं होता है, to how to like step into this field. So if you have a piece of advice from your own journey, कि how to get organic, how to make your own personality into this and how to get into this basically and how to taste success.
Okay, I think nowadays it's very easy. When I started my career, I didn't have many options, and nowadays, like if you're sitting at home, you just click one picture, make one video through social media. You can actually get through a lot of good work, and you don't need to leave your city. आपको अपना शहर छोड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप घर बैठे काम मिल सकता है. Just that, take one phone, show your talent, and make sure you're constant. You just can't put one or two videos and just leave it. सो बहुत ही खूबसूरत टाइम चल रहा है जहाँ पे आपको दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में हो, आपके पास फोन और नेटवर्क और टैलेंट होना चाहिए. शो योर टैलेंट ऑन सोशल मीडिया एंड जस्ट एंड देन keep on trying, wait for your luck. You never know when you click
True. And I think leave it to the universe also because
100%.
मेहनत करते रहोगे तो फल मिल जाएगा.
यू हैव टू बी कॉन्स्टेंट.
Yes,
मुझे लगता है
I
एक
guess.
ये सबसे प्यारी चीज़ है, अगर आप अपनी मेहनत में लगातार बने रहो ना, एक दिन डेफिनेटली क्लिक होता है. एंड हैव फेथ.
True that. So also, so basically we saw we saw Farah Khan's vlog and we saw the collection. Oh my God, what collection you have! What amazing collection. So we want to know the obsession with the bags, with the shoes, with the wardrobe, the clothes. So कब से शुरू हुई ऐसी?
कब से शुरू शौक है. And as an actress we tend to have a lot of varieties, and we can't rely on a stylist all the time,
Yeah.
and we have a lot of places to go. So धीरे धीरे करके क्या होता है ना, collection हो ही जाता है. And whenever we are going, we're shopping, and कभी कहीं से collection लेके आ गए, कहीं कहीं से. Sometimes it's you're sitting at home and you're scrolling and you're shopping.
And you're ordering. Oh my God, non-stop.
Yeah. So yeah, that's how you realize कि, oh God, you don't have space in your house. You have to make one particular space to make all this stuff. And when you're shopaholic, तो फिर तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. I think every female is shopaholic.
अगर कभी जगह की कमी पड़े so you can send, like, I won't mind.
Definitely,
I'm ready to
definitely.
take.
I thought you would say जगह की कमी पड़े ना, pray to God, you will get much bigger place.
Oh yes.
But yeah,
definitely
100%. Why not?
Fingers
Why
crossed.
not? Anytime.
So see, Om Shanti Om has been one of my favorite films, and मैं तो on repeat जब भी weekend आता है मैं तो लगा लेती हूँ.
Okay.
And oh my God, your role, it was something which shook, I think, everybody. पूरा कुछ अलग ही, you did a value addition to the film. So I want to know, again, it's a very common question, but again, if you go back in time, what are the memories you hold? What is the nostalgia which still has you have it with
I
you?
owe this to Farah ma'am. I literally didn't think anything about this role, and whatever she decided at that point of time, and I did that. I still remember when I was doing this role, everybody was on the set. Shah Rukh sir and everyone was there because the first day tha aur sabke shot the.
Yes.
So I still remember first word what Shah Rukh said. I've heard of saying that who is she? When I
Who
gave
is she? कौन है
gave
ये?
that
Oh, wow.
one shot and वो जब repeat पे चल रहा था monitor पे. So I was like, oh, nice. I've been noticed.
God.
So, but honestly speaking, I never thought that point of time that this role will be clicked. I was just doing my work and I was super happy being on the set and with Shah Rukh Khan and working with all the big stars.
Yeah.
मेरे लिए वो moment वैसे वाला moment था, that
Yeah.
newcomer and doing a film. तो मैं वो जिंदगी जी रही थी. I didn't know what's next thing gonna happen. And I still remember we were in Yashraj's studio. We were having trial. I went for the trial, and then everyone from the industry was sitting, and I was super nervous for my role. I was like, I don't know what people will react. कैसी लग रही हूँ मैं? Oh God, मैंने सारा बोझ जिंदगी का उस वक्त अपने कंधों पे ले लिया था.
हो जाता है.
And I was very nervous.
Yeah.
And and I used to get surprised when people used to say, I loved you in Om Shanti Om. I was like, really? Oh, really?
Yeah.
So, yeah. I feel now, I feel blessed that I did that role, and I'm happy.
I think you've tried your hands in everything, like reality shows, also done movies and all these. But क्या चीज़ है which you want to experiment in, which you
There's a lot of
explore?
reality shows. There are a lot of things to do.
Yeah.
I think in the phase of my marriage, and the baby, a lot of things which I didn't try. There's so much.
But what are you eager to try? Like ऐसी कोई चीज़ है ना which you want to do, like
lot of
any
things.
dream
Yeah,
collaborations maybe.
I want to do a lot of good international collaborations. I
Oh,
want to do,
super.
yeah.
Would love to see you.
Yeah, and let's see. I hope some good film. एक एक्टर की लाइफ में एक्टिंग ना हो तो फिर मजा नहीं
है ना,
आता ना.
कुछ
Yeah.
कमी लगती है.
And let's see if there's some
Yeah.
nice reality show coming up interesting. Then we'll do that. काम करना अच्छा लगता है. I just feel keep on moving. Don't stop yourself.
So it's a lovely coincidence. So I met Rochelle today, Rochelle and Keith, and like after 1 hour, now I'm meeting you, Yuvika, and you guys have been the stars of Big Boss 9.
Yeah.
And it has been an incredible journey, and also the episode. पुराने
Yeah.
Big Boss वाले की अलग ही feel है. So what are the memories you hold from that house? क्योंकि बिग बॉस
Yeah,
सपना भी है, चीजें भी बदल देता है, लेकिन बिना फोन और उन सब चीजों के टू बी लाइक ऑन द स्पॉटलाइट ऑल द टाइम विद द कैमरास, इट टेक्स अ लॉट,
a
सो
lot.
गट्स की जरूरत होती है, एंड यू
But
हैव टू
honestly speaking, after having so much of camera on you, no,
या
you become so comfortable. I think you become much more relaxed. एक आपको एक झिझक होती है अंदर से,
हाँ
वो खत्म हो जाती है. आप तैयार हो, नहीं हो, यू आर रिलैक्स्ड, यू आर चिल्ड. पहले क्या होता था, ओ गॉड नहीं रेडी होके ही दिखना है, ये सब करना है. तो दैट लाइफस्टाइल मेक्स यू फील सो कंफर्टेबल कि कोई भी सिचुएशन आए बॉस,
हाँ, यू
सब
आर
निकल
ओके,
जाता
ठीक है,
है.
देख ले, हो गया.
हाँ, अगर दुश्मनी भी हो रही है तो वहीं सॉल्व हो रही है.
हाँ
सो लॉट ऑफ थिंग आपकी चेंज हो जाती है. यहाँ क्या होता है, अपनी खुद की दुनिया में आप अपने हिसाब से जिंदगी जीते हो, अपने परसेप्शन बनाते हो, अपना लाइफस्टाइल बनाते हो, तो खुद से सब कुछ करते हो. वहां खुद से कुछ नहीं होता, तो यू हैव टू एडजस्ट एंड लर्न.
yeah.
सो दैट इज
So what are the
ब्यूटीफुल.
memories you have, gotten back with you abhi tak, which you remember? And with Salman Khan also,
मेमोरीज.
coming on the weekend ka war, abhi tak wo खौफ hai, my God. And he has the same, the personality, and
Yes.
वही Salman Khan now तो यार
Yeah,
मतलब
he
लगता है कि
stands in the frame and
yes,
I think
he's
that's it.
taken it
Yeah,
over.
yeah, yeah. Good memories यार, all good memories. Much more fun. रोज तैयार होना, मस्ती करना, किचन में काम करना. I used to do that because मुझे झगड़े नहीं करने होते थे.
Yeah.
And सबसे पहले I used to get up and get ready. Um, जब शावर के लिए जाते थे सुबह सुबह उठ के वॉशरूम क्लीन करना, जो मेरी हैबिट आज तक है. Whenever I'm cleaning my
Oh,
washroom,
really?
yeah. I never used to do all this work. जब भी मैं बाथरूम से निकलती हूँ तो अपने अच्छे से क्लीन करके निकलती हूँ. दैट हैबिट हैज कम फ्रॉम देयर. And till today, whenever I'm, cleaning my washrooms, I'm like, oh God, ये एक चीज मैं बिग बॉस के लेके आई हूँ, ये अभी तक
ये तो
कांस्टेंट चल
बहुत
रही
अच्छी
है.
चीज है. आई थिंक
Yeah,
गाइस,
it
अगर आप
is.
बिग बॉस में आपकी एंट्री नहीं भी हो रही है तो आई
Yeah.
थिंक ये तो सबको करना चाहिए.
You make sure कि अगर दूसरा आ रहा है तो he should get or she should get that
Yeah.
clean washroom. So yeah, so good habits. खाना बनाना, I never used to cook before. शो में मसाले उल्टे सीधे डाल के बनाती थी. I think that habit still there.
Yeah.
I'm cooking but still I experiment. जैसे आप शुरुआत करते हैं ना, आपकी
धीरे
वही
धीरे
आदत
करके
पड़ जाती है. Yeah. So yeah, till today whatever I cook, I still experiment.
Super.
So yeah.
So there's a fan question. Your fans really want to know that when did you receive your first paycheck? How much was it? And where did you spend it?
First
First
paycheck
paycheck, पहली
must
कमाई वो
be
होती है ना.
must be long back. Must be, I don't know. I need to ask my mom first paycheck.
It's been a while, no?
Too long. Like my first paycheck must be in Delhi when I started doing modeling, and then it was just for time pass, and then immediately I had to come to Mumbai.
Yeah.
And I don't remember. Yeah, must be
We'll see.
2-3 हज़ार ही होगा यार.
हाँ.
उस वक्त होता कितना था.
बहुत है, उस
मैंने
वक्त
न्यू
2-3
कमर.
हजार भी बहुत था.
Yeah,
But it
so
depends upon the work.
yeah. So I did one ad which I didn't know of, Monte Carlo.
Yeah.
And and immediately I was selected for the show Z Cinestar Ki
Yeah.
Khoj, and then I was here. So yeah.
So who has been your favorite from this industry? A friend, a 3 a.m. friend, or maybe a friend to rant with, to talk to discuss things. ये हो रहा है from the industry.
I can't say friend. There's no friend of mine in the industry, but yes, there are people who are like, if I never, I have hardly taken help whenever I needed. Sometimes I used to feel okay, I'll not. There's no good reaction, but there are some good people who have been good to me, and very nice to me, and they're in touch with me till now.
Super. So nowadays, like what we are seeing कि लोगों का प्यार से विश्वास उठता जा रहा है. Gen Z के टाइम पे the terms coming in, benching, situationships and what not. And separations, divorce, कितना कुछ. 2025 I think it has been the year जिसमें इतनी सारी हमें negative news सुन ली है. The plane crash was all tragic. But what piece of advice you would like to give to the people जो relationship में आने से पहले एक back step ही कर रहे हैं कि I think ये सही नहीं है, or who the people have lost trust in love, the idea of love actually.
First of all, I would say people forget to love themselves first, and they search for love outside.
Yeah.
That is the biggest mistake we all people make. And when we feel unloved, we look for too much of dependency in love. And when we are full of love, then only we can give love and receive love.
Hmm.
So that trust within us is not there. वो कॉन्फिडेंस ही नहीं है, वो अपने आप को प्यार करने का सब डिपेंडेंट हो गए हैं। वो सामने वाला ये बोलेगा, अगर कुछ बोल दिया गलत तो आपको फील हो जाती हैं चीज़ें। सो इट मीन्स वी आर नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट आवर सेल्फ, वी आर नॉट लविंग आवर सेल्फ। समथिंग आई वुड से फर्स्ट लव योर सेल्फ, इट्स
Yeah.
यू, एंड देन इट्स योर रिलेशनशिप।
Super. So, any one message you have for your fans, for your well-wishers, the people who are in your DMs messaging you, you can reply, yes.
Yes.
What all
I would
messages
say
you
I
have?
love you all, and I know how much effort you guys make for me. Always day and night making edits and wishing me for my life and worried about me and happy about me in my journey. Just be there and keep on increasing the family of you guys are my family,
Yeah.
and I really really enjoy seeing your love, and I really really feel you are don't ever think that I'm ignoring you. You guys are there in my eyes. I make sure that I notice everything. So thank you so much, and I just feel that whatever work I'm going to do now, whatever I'm doing, is just because of you all, because you are there to give me so much of love. So it's my responsibility, I should give you all something. So thank you so much. ऐसे ही प्यार करते रहिए.
Thank you so much, Viveka, for your time.